Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, I'm Corban and that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making a hot air balloon. So stay tuned. The first step is to put a balloon over the mouth of the 2-liter bottle. Just like this. The next step is to put hot tap water in one of the bowls. Here's my hot water, and I put red food coloring in it to show you that it's hot. Next, we filled another bowl with ice, cold water, and blue food coloring to show you that it's cold. Now I'm gonna put my 2-liter bottle with a balloon on it into the hot water, and we'll see what happens. Whoa. Whoa. It inflated! That's so cool. Now I'm gonna put it in the cold water and we'll see what happens. Whoa.
Whoa, we're down.
It's deflated.
Deflated. Look at it. It's wrinkling up. Look, it's deflating. It's shrinking. It's shrinking.
Now let's see what happens when we put it in the hot water again. Whoa! It inflated again.
Whoa.
This pops up.
Yeah, it pops up.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And remember to subscribe.
Oh, it deflated again.
Bye. See you in the next video. Bye.